To start or stop server service in Windows 10 Home, right click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click or tap Services and Applications drop-down menu. Select Services and then scroll to the screen. Find Server and then right click on Server. To start, select Start, or to stop, select Stop. Support file print and named pipe sharing over the network for this computer. If the service is stopped, these functions will be unavailable. If the service is disabled, any services that explicitly depend on it will fail to start. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.